Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, assistant teacher of mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Deshik. Student, today our topic is short question which is taken from your book page number 41 to 50. Okay? Lecture number 26, exam number 16. Look student, there are 20 short questions here. All the questions are taken from your book Enjoying Mental Maths. Okay? Enjoying Mental Maths. Okay? Page number 41 to 50. I have selected here 20 questions. Okay? From the selected pages. Okay student? Let's start. Look at first. Read the question number 1. If 1 by 2 of 150 minutes, if 1 by 2 of 150 minutes, dash minutes. Okay? 1 by 2 of 150 minutes equal to dash minutes. 1 by 2 we can say this is also half. That means half of 150 minutes equal to how many minutes? Okay, how can divide 750 by divide 150 by 2, 7 to the 14, 0, 7 5s are 10. Okay, so if we divide 150 by 2, then we get 75. Okay, right here 75. Now look, question number 2. The cost of 4 eraser is taka 12. The cost of 4 eraser is taka 12. What is the cost of 9 such eraser? Look, the cost of 4 eraser is taka 12. So the cost of 1 eraser is what? Divide 12 by 4. 4 3s are 12. That means the price of 1 eraser is 3 taka. Now the question, what is the cost of 9 such eraser? Okay, so multiply 3 with 9, that means 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. Answer taka 27. Now look, question number 3. 3 by 11 plus 7 by 11 plus 1 by 11 equal to what? Look, 3 by 11 plus 7 by 11 plus 1 by 11. You see 11, 11, 11. That means LCM is 11. Divide 11 by 11, then you get 1. 1 into 3, 3 plus plus. Divide 11 by 11, then you get 1. 1 into 7, 7 plus plus. Similarly, divide this 11 by 11, then you get 1. 1 ones are 1. That means 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. Reduce, then we get 1. So 3 by 11 plus 7 by 11 plus 1 by 11 is equal to what? 1. Right here 1. Now look, 8 kilometer 48 meter. 8 kilometer 48 meter. This equal to how many meter? Okay? 8 kilometer 48 meter equal to how many meter? Okay? That means you have to fill in the blanks here. We know 1 kilometer equal to 8,000. We know 1 kilometer equal to what? 1000 meter. Okay? Therefore 8 kilometer equal to what? 8000 meter and 48 meter. Adding now, then you get what? 8048 meter. Okay? Right here 8048 meter. Similarly, read the question number 12. Read the question number 5. Marina is 12 years old. If her mother says is 4 times Marina says. 4 times Marina says. Marina says is 12 years. So 4 times of minus is means 12 into 4. 12 into 4. We know 12 fours are 48. Okay. Now write 48 years. Now look 6. Question number 6. Are the fractions 10 by 14 and 35 by 49 equivalent? Are the fractions 10 by 49, 10 by 14 and 35 by 49 are equivalent? You see, this is 10 by 14, 10 by 14, and this is 35 by 49. Look, 10 by 14. You can reduce this by 2, then you get 5. Similarly, reduce this by 2, then you get 7. That means 5 by 7. Divide 10 by 2, then you get 5. Divide 14 by 2, then we get 7. Okay, that means 10 by 14 equal to 5 by 7. Now 35 by 49. Reduce this by 7, then you get 5, and we know 7 sevens are 49. That means 5 by 7. That's how we can say 10 by 14 and 35 by 49 are equivalent. Okay, so our answer will be what? Yes. Okay, now look the questions. Are the fractions 10 by 14 and 35 by 49 equivalent? Your answer will be yes. Or otherwise we can write, yes, the fractions 10 by 14 and 35 by 49 are equivalent. Okay? Now look, question number 7. A train covers 450 km in 6 hours. That means in 6 hours the train covers 450 km. Now question, how many kilometer does it cover in 1 hour? Okay? Look, in 6 hours the train covers 450. We have to determine how many kilometer does it cover in 1 hour. So this is division, and divide 450 by 6. 6 sevens are 42. 5 minus 2 equal to 3, 0. 6 fives are 30. So our answer will be 75 kilometer. Okay, right? 75 kilometer. Okay, student, look. A train covers 450 kilometer in 6 hours. This is the clue. And how many kilometer does it cover in 1 hour? So we have divided 450 by 6. Then we get what? 75. Okay, and our answer is 75 kilometer. Now look, question number 8. John did 9 sums. Okay, 5 sums were correct. 5 sums were correct. So incorrect is how many? 4. 4 sums are incorrect. Now question, what part of the sums were wrong? Wrong or incorrect sum. So our answer will be what? 4 by 9. 4 by 9 part. Okay, 4 by 9 part. Look, John did 9 sums. 5 sums were correct. That means 4 sums were incorrect. Now question, what part of the sums were wrong? Wrong, that means incorrect. Okay, so here wrong is 4. So according to the question we have to write 4 by 9 part of the sums were wrong. Now look, 9 number. Is 143 a prime number? or a composite number. Okay student, we know in a prime number there are only two factors. Suppose 2 is a prime number, it has only two factors, 1 and 2. Similarly 5, 1 and 5. Similarly 13, 1 and 13. But what is a composite number? Composite number has at least 3 factors. At least 3 factors. Okay? Look, 143, this is divisible by 11. 11 ones are 11 and okay. So 143 is divisible by 11. Similarly 143 is also divisible by 13. So how many factors of 143? Look, 1, then 11, then 13, then what? 143. That means here more than 2 factors. That means 143 has more than 2 factors. Look, this is 2 and this also. That means 4 factors here. So obviously we can say 143 is a composite number. Right, composite number. Now question number 10. The product of 0 and any number. The product of 0 and any number. This is equal to what? 0. Right here 0. If you multiply 0 with 5, then our result will be what? 0. Now question number 11. Which is greater? 10 1 by 3 or 20 by 3? Look, 10 is the integer part and 1 by 3 the fraction. Look, 20 by 3, 3 6 are 18, 2. That means 6, 2 by 3. 6, 2 by 3. You see, this is 6. This is 6 is integer part. And now say 6 is greater or 10 is greater. Obviously 10 is greater. Therefore we can say 10 1 by 3 is greater than 20 by 3. So our option will be 10 1 by 3 is greater. Okay. Now look question number 12. How many 5s? How many 5s are in 785? How many 5s are in 785? That means you have to divide 785 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 28, 5 5s are 25, 3, 5, 5 7s are 35. Okay. So our answer will be what? 157. Okay. So how many 5s are in 785? Answer 157. Right here 157. Now look question number 13. What must be subtracted from 100 to make it 3 dozens? Okay. What must be subtracted from 100 to make it 3 dozens? Look, 1 dozen equal to 12 items. Therefore, 3 dozens is equal to 36. That means 36 items. Now subtract 36 item from 100. This is equal to what? 64. 64. So So write here 64. Now look question number 14. If 8 watches cost taka 5,600, 8 watches cost 5,600 taka, okay? Then what is the cost of 1 watch? Okay? Look student, you have to use a technique. Suppose you divide 56 by 8, then 7 8s are 56. Okay? So divide 56 by 8, then you get 7 and 2020. Right here 20. That means answer will be 700 taka. Now look question number 15. The product of two number is 96. One number is 6. You see here is product. Product of two number is 96. One number is 6. And what is the other number? So if you divide 96 by 6, then you get the other number. If you divide 96 by 6, then you get 16. So other number is 16. Right here 16. Now look question number 16. 7 by 8 minus 3 by 8. This equal to what? Look, 7 by 8 minus 3 by 8. 8, 7 minus 3 is equal to what? 4 by 8. Now we have to reduce. That means we got 1 by 2. Now write 1 by 2. That means 7 by 8 minus 3 by 8 is equal to what? 1 by 2. And this is the answer. Now look question number 17. Question number 17. 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10 equal to what? 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10. LCM of 5 and 10 is what? 10. Then divide 10 by 5, then you get 2. 2 to the 4. Divide 10 by 10, then you get 1. 1 3 are 3. That means 7 by 10. So our answer will be 7 by 10. Right here 7 by 10. Now look question number 18. Express 8 by 9 as a division sum. Okay? Express 8 by 9 as a division sum. Okay? This answer will be 8 division 9. Okay? This is the expressed of 8 by 9 as a division sum. Okay? 8 division 9. Now look question number 19. Prabhu gave away 15 pencils from a packet of 20 pencils. Okay. If you gave 15 pencils from 20 pencils, then you have 5 pencils. Now question. What part of the total pencil? Total pencil is what? Total pencil is 20. Now look. What part of the total pencil is left with him? What part? That means divide this by 5, then you get 1. Divide this by 5, then you get 4. That means our answer will be 1 by 4. Right? 1 by 4 part. By 4 part. Now look question number 20. Reduce to its lowest term of 45 by 50. Reduce to its lowest term of 45 by 50. Look, this is 45 and this is 50. We can reduce both numerator and denominator by 5. Okay, divide by 5, then you get 9. Divide 50 by 5, then we get 10. Okay. Look student, divide 45 by 5, then you get 9, and divide 50 by 5, then you get 10. So our answer will be what? 9 by 10. Okay, 9 by 10. Now write the answer. 9 by 10. 9 by 10. And this is the reduced form or the lowest term of 45 by 50. Student, look. Now I told about your HW. Look student, there are 20 questions. At first you write without the solution in your copies. Then you have to solve yourself and write one by one the answer. Okay student? Look, write this. This is your HW and your HW long is 16. HW long is 16. Okay? You do it at your home. Okay? Okay student, I hope you understood today's topic. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.